Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So here you can see it. Some name of app can't be opened because it is from an unidentified developer. Your security preferences allow installation of only apps from the Mac App Store and identified developers. So also you can try to go to system preferences here. Also here you will see security and privacy, just open it. And here you will see name of your app and just option was opening this app. Just tap on open. Also it could require your password. You just need to enter your password and just tap on open and it will successfully allow this application for installation on your computer. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.